Shalom, dear friends. Today I would like to talk to you about very important character traits that we all have to really adapt. We see in the Torah three major images, leaders of the Jewish people, that they were strong, they were wise, they were rich, they were powerful, and yet they were very humble. So we start with Abraham. Abraham was the first Jew that believed in monotheism. He had everything in life, and yet when he was talking to God, he said to him that he is the dust and the ashes of the earth. He was like nothing. As you can see in chapter 18 and verse 27, when he's talking to Hashem, and he said that I am but dust and ash, and ashes, which is really nothing. You can step on it, and that's how he felt. He felt very humble. And then we see later on in the book of Exodus, chapter 16 and verse 7, when we see that Moses, the biggest leader in the world ever, and he was talking to Hashem about him and his brother Aaron, and he called himself nothing. What are we? As you can see there, he's talking to Hashem, and he tried to tell him that he's really nothing, and he described himself as nothing of nothing. And he says, for what are we? That to show you, and that Moses, the biggest man ever, was so humble. And the Torah tells us very specifically that Moses was the most humble person ever that will be in the world. And then we see with King David in the book of the Psalms, in Hebrew called Tehillim, it says over there that he described himself as a worm. King David, the most powerful man in the Jewish history, called himself a worm that also like nothing. So to show you how humble were these people, the greatest leader ever, and they were very simple, down-to-earth people, to teach us that don't show off. Whatever you have is from God. Be simple, be nice, and be kind. Thank you very much. Have a good day.